court decision never. Yes.
I have filed a motion.
What file a motion?
I filed a motion
to arrest the judgment?
Not to arrest the judgment. I don't have that power.
Okay.
I have filed a motion to withdraw from the case. Withdrawal from the case. I have cited my reasons.
Who is withdrawing from that case?
Myself as
a lawyer.
As lawyer.
Who withdraw from?
I'm withdrawing my legal services.
Case
in the case.
Yes. We are judge. Then
yes. At any point.
I know.
I have a right.
What reason here then?
My reasons are.
Counsel, we are aware of letterway.
Me and Mitchell letter.
Okay.
Former Attorney General, in line with the law.
Okay. In one request to Attorney General.
Yes.
We requested for a drop of the charges. No plea bargain. We need to drop the charges and answer them.
The attorney said, the law gives you the platform to go into negotiations. It is through the negotiation and you go into terms.
Yes.
And to the terms of the negotiation would be consideration of one of these. And for now, design terms of the negotiation. And why are we in a hurry to prescribe one of them for us when we have not indicated the preference?
Okay. In the request to the age, why
you are not required.
You are not required.
You are not required.
That's fine.
You just initiate.
That's fine. Until most starting negotiations now, then it will lead to the
terms, and the end deliverable will be the end product.
Yes. Are you by this saying, sir? Said the because me kaisa plea bargaining act we many Attorney General then Edin Komono. The understanding I got they say this act is to expand on the provisions in the Court Act Section 35, which provision also says when the agreement is made between and I say between the accused person and the Attorney General,
right?
That agreement will be sent
between the accused person and the prosecutor, because it may well be that
and the prosecutor
may not be attended.
That's fine. And the prosecutor, what is our agreement? Never court.
Yes.
When the court adopts that agreement,
that becomes the decision of the court. That
becomes the decision of the court. But that would also mean, say, you would be convicted.
No. If the decision of the if the negotiated position is a withdrawal of the charges,
yes,
then where is the conviction?
Okay. When the charges are withdrawn,
yes,
then there can be no conviction.
There can be no conviction.
Okay.
We need to have understanding of some of these things because speculation worrying. And the criminal justice system, we are careful. The way we encourage people to, propagate with some provisions of the law. And you fail you, and now appear could be, external hands about into a criminal jurisprudence and your crowd. In fact, external hands created by a constitutional law monocran. A higher basic no.
There's one time a person will clarify on
let's this. Let's go back on plea bargain.
So this plea bargain, in relation to which case? You said the state is in court with Wontumi on 2 cases. In relation with
this is in relation with Republic versus Wontumi
and two others on Exim Bank. Where Samra
anyway.
Okay.
Now, Obi, and come a picture say, Ube back court no share proceedings na
sure.
In even those cases. I can share with you the record of proceedings in the cases. But Nkrophobia Bontin, can some referring to more, but can we honestly convict on the records? Now, I know the ATV call anymore.
Fortunately, the record is what is before the judge.
Yes.
And the judge will not be minded.
I always cry that I pray that the court is a court.
Yeah.
That is my prayer. The only prayer that I do, they say, let us see a court making a pronouncement based on evidence. Yeah.
The evidence before the
court.
And not what is
outside the court. And not at the whims of somebody who is outside the court. Now you hear where you miss my I hear the
for Samra boy the end of the year, we are all waiting for July 3rd. Our court decision.
Yes. I have filed a motion
What file a motion?
I filed a motion
to arrest the judgment?
Not to arrest the judgment. I don't have that power.
Okay.
I have filed a motion to withdraw from the case. Withdrawal from the case, I have cited my reasons.
Who is withdrawing from that case?
Myself
as a lawyer.
As lawyer.
Who withdraw from?
I'm withdrawing my legal services.
Case
in the case.
Yes. We are judge. Then
yes. At any point.
I know.
I have a right.
Reason here then.
My reasons are in the affidavit, and we will take that motion on Monday, so I will not discuss it. But I have cried in the affidavit that as a lawyer, what I feel doing a case like that. Now, I know the prayer, and if cry, for all of us as persons in the legal fraternity, say near pay me.
Is it, sir, you are.
Now, what do you show?
No, withdraw CCR because of what you think would happen on July 3rd.
No, not what you think will happen. Anything, because I pray that the court should be a court. Now, your decision, then I will come and I'll comment on the decision. But before then, I'll sound this warning. Because it stays with us. And it will also be, we will be confronted with it in course of our time.
FM.
And you'll be, you'll be fulfilled. Injustice to anybody is injustice to you.
To everyone, I agree. But, lawyer, why would you do a case, you go through all the initial stages, I go through trial? Judge, I'm not data or then a judgment. Now I withdraw, file application to withdraw.
My lawyer, I check a
yes.
My share proceedings are okay. And it said me who sent to be a free abontia. I smell it. And if you several cases near my days of proceedings. Was the name you were was notwithstanding.
I was over.
Okay. And no one case here in Ghana.
That's a summer boy case. I said somebody was shepherding the case. Giddy.
Just a giddy. I said, wouldn't you make me? So, what's that trial? And then me another case was a cry. We case no 2 o'clock court.
Really?
I'm telling you.
That's what the judge was doing.
We are going to talk about this now. Bar Association. I'm going to petition the Bar Association also. Say, Bar Association, can we sit and let this go on in Ghana? Within our jurisprudence? And do we want to turn our courts into persons, institutions?
Yeah, but the Bar Association may not have jurisdiction over the judge.
No, but indeed, Bar Association can speak about it.
Okay,
me,
you want
them
to
say,
speak about it.
Me and Maker say,
yes.
I'm speaking my mind. And I want whoever wants evidence to confront me, and I'll show him the evidence.
But if that was the conduct of the judge, I don't want petition Chief Justice, Mom.
Well, one option.
Okay.
The other option is that I'm withdrawing and stating the reasons why I'm withdrawing.
Why you are withdrawing
and I'm going before the same judge to state my reasons of resigning before her.
From the case. Before judge.
Yes.
Even before the judgment,
yes.
Who withdraw from
the
case.
must state me reasons of withdrawing before her.
And your client is aware self person will withdraw.
Yes, but my client.
And none reaction here.
And I'm Obi. Me one person. You be boni na meti ho na me be yamya. I don't like it. Say you be boni na meti ho.
In this case, why you any boni?
I need to
okay.
Generally.
Okay.
Obi misuso. And I'm sanity. We am boni a. We dey me obi. Because I think that is a way to also teach you to learn. And to be careful because it will be before you. But I'm withdrawing. I'm going to state my reasons for withdrawing.
In court?
Yes, in court.
Monday I'll be there. Monday.
No,
Monday I'll be there.
Yes.
But on the plea bargain request, how they come age, and not there you would be on.
Yes, we'll be on.
You do that.
We'll be on. Yes.
And they won't withdraw.
Indeed, there's another case. Someone bueno criminal court.
Yeah, criminal court.
I'm still in it.
And your womb still.
I'm still in it.
And with exam bargain.
Okay. Cross examination.
No, I'll come.
You see, na But one thing though,
yes,
Chief Justice, and most of these cases, you telecast it.
Political, very political cases.
No, you mean political, high profile cases.
High profile, okay.
Can you telecast it? But
you should have made call way during the trial. I don't know what trial not ended.
No, me experience and me share. And to me say better be so. And Ato Bia, but we need to correct ourselves. Media, if it will take me to even hand over my license on the basis of injustice, I will so do.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Bobby, trust me, me nim trocha, and in Tisa see me and me sorry, say me can I don't decorate my language when you see, and I feel it. And but I feel it.
But even on the Exim Bank case, yes, states are filing the charges against your client. Why don't you go through the trial?
Exim Bank?
Yes.
Well, I want to explore this possibility. Now, me say possibility will hold for settlement a win-win.
Okay.
You see, the worst form of settlement is better than the best form of judgment, because after the judgment, one is victorious, one is vanquished, and relationships are broken and all that. Now, in most cases, I want to be just to both parties, to all. And however you do your work to bring justice to both parties, I think you would have achieved settlement. And into the makers, because we have previous, and charges now evaluating evidence near there. We could have contested this. At me, let's put our heads together and solve a problem. Because corruption, anti-corruption agencies are not happy with plea bargaining. Chairman Wontumi is not charged with any element of corruption. Now, how could
in all the charges,
anything that is affecting him, and to corruption, they don't understand.
Yeah, but it may not be corruption, but if it's fraud, if it's money laundering, those are also serious.
Yes, but they are different charges.
I get you.
So
but they are not any better than corruption.
Yes, they are not any better. Yes. But if you want to sacrifice somebody, or if you want to hang somebody, give him the correct name and hang him.
I get you.
Now, we say corruption, anti-corruption, because say
yes.
What is corruption in this one? Obi kwaji loan so the Kwaku Annan issues ne womuno, application ne womuno, se document bi womu now who suspect se document no
fraudulently
acquired. What is corruption about that? In any case, allegation for somebody to prove it. Where you, as an institution, procure consultant for the project.
Yes.
Consultant has a duty. It's a duty to be a consultant. So, fall short of expectation. Why would you saddle me with? And again, don't forget that part of the loan is paying the consultant.
Sure.
But again, we are going to plea.
But that's why some people think, and even some people in your party think, you should have contested this. I mean, go through the trial.
You must be in it to know it. You must feel it to understand it. Chairman Wontumi, we hear the peace for his life. He has a family also. He is a Ghanaian. And we hear na circumstances. In fact, circumstances of the case determine the actions. And the circumstances.
Is it the circumstances tells you as a lawyer having some disclosures yet?
No, disclosures. But
based on what evidence, the officer state Nikra serious evidence, BMI will take the decision to go for.
I did not say it is because we are afraid of the evidence of the state. No. I just said, this is my advice to my client. Say, under the circumstances, and one big thing we need to also consider: the hand of state power in criminal proceedings. Enye
always very powerful.
Enye kra. And sometimes we say akwe bom so metuma bonbi. To avoid sumbono, why can't we settle before we do sumboso? So that although I have the strength to also reply you, let's settle it before we get there. I mean, this is what we are seeking to do.
But again, I mean, in the settlement, no, see, ABR, your aim, okay, through the settlement, no, measure say on betia say any drop charges, no. Say Basa State neka say on drop charges. The best they can do, they say punishment. On better. So what would you do?
Obi, you are trying to lead me into temptation.
Oh no!
But forgive those who trespass.
The state neka say on drop charges, no.
No, we haven't gotten
the
there.
Best they can do is to drop punishment.
Punishment follows conviction.
Sure.
Now you know conviction. You are drop punishment.
Yeah, but say under plea bargain, no.
Plea bargain.
Under plea bargain, what it means is that you will not go through trial again.
Yes, but where plea bargain results in the dropping of the charges.
Yes.
Where is punishment?
That's the point. But I know because one option. The state may not agree to that option.
No, it depends. In all cases, as you know, the answer to every question by a lawyer is it depends.
Very well. My main kind messages kakra abana yenya no na fe yentoa so ekosi saying so higher sempa 94.7.
Yeah, for platform education.
Sure.
Particularly in areas of law.
Yes.
To see as ordinary citizens. Yeah, you hear say you refresh your mind of what is happening even in the areas of law. So
see on the plea, you know, age na ebema data mo de best start.
Age of frame ready because my man was assurance is ready for it.
That's fine. And what I'll do is say nyame adoma Monday I'll be in the court to hear our application for withdrawal, no?
Yes.
From the Samra Boy case.
Yes.
And then we take it from there. But with how the case was conducted, Oshe examination in chief, cross examination, would you be surprised, say, judge, you know, Edo client or convict your client a sentence?
You are still leading me into temptation, but the charges were assignment without authorization from the minister.
From the minister, yes.
And facilitating the provision of mining support service without ministerial permission.
We need two charges.
We need two charges
against Wontumi.
Against
Omubia.
Against Omubia.
On Samra Boy.
On Samra Boy. And we filed a motion in court. Say assignment to be a Chairman Wontumi na akunta mining. Ayama Herunkum. Ebi oha mumma a copy as part of disclosures.
Yes.
There is nothing like that.
Okay.
And response to the court to say under land law, New Land Act 2020.
Yes.
Say for assignment to be valid, it must be documented and authenticated and endorsed by signatures.
Sure.
If there is nothing like that, if the law says there's no there's no
law
assignment,
prescribes a procedure
it has to be a valid assignment, and it is not provided. And we still my assignment. I say emremuno say utu na mienu a ene chese watumika.
E wo say utu mienu.
So utu mienu. Asan watumika.
Boy feel
na metimi baby boy feel.
Yes.
Metimi baby timakonya so. Na wa charge me say apia ku bi watumika. Na me se mika na metu me firi hin ne ko hin. We say there be unko baby anzo watumika. Is this law?
Oh.
This is the situation we have.
Based on the two charges, no.
And I say mining support services provide ma hwan e provide ma obi a we mining. Yes sir.
Yes.
Chairman Wontumi any akunta mines. There is no evidence to suggest that we mining. And to support services, if it was even so provided, who did they provide it to? Support services provided in a vacuum.
Yeah.
And to say what they ought baby na say me na me nam ho and me who say ball go feature na say me ko pra ball no. So
yes.
Na no boni ben na maye under the law say ko pra obi feature ma o ma okwanya na say wa ma me kwan kra na say me ama ko pra. Why would you charge me? The house owner.
Yeah.
So mining support services, it must be delivered to a miner.
And you made all these arguments in court.
Oh, my brother.
And it was...
And in fact,
yes.
In fact, it was rather chairman Wontumi na otchere letter call Regional Security Council say illegal miners e wo masase so etu agudie. Na mumra na mepam wo mu. And there is record say
to show
Regional Security Council for na ba bepam nkrofo chinkrofo. Even in evidence here China for bikra where are they? Emma eno so kra no regional minister then by bedi adanse a oba ho ebehwe ebe chinkrofo bi. Eno echi o say asase mebre wo Ghana ha illegal miners atutu amena aye dangerous. Onipa kofa ho na dwokra betimi atomu bewu. Aniti Ghana for as policy no say ye encourage community say baby am behu say nkrofo akoye illegal money amotutu amena anadwo betimi di asema ba no community no amfa mo community support enna mo nkokenhum se ne nipa nguo ama World Bank for kra ma isika say yamfa sika we enkoye land reclamation for illegally mined portions of Ghanaian land na say me yedema mami idea concession say me kotu amna me kotu agudie ewo mikro bidwansa na me koye nkrofo tutu ho no me ho say ma mikro me ma hwia bikoto amrem na me as a miner na concession holder no me nyan hyase no emrana say ho no mo e dangerous ko fa bewu nipa kura be ko fa bewu na me say ene se ne be yo no me kam amena ni nyina emu na me nua kube wo ho to reforest the place and also my body.
Wow. I mean, it's good, sir. We'll be charges. And
I make us say, "Kaya neka say kamu ya walk out to home. Neka say traffic ni na musuma baby. Na mutiebi. Na some way ya king. Politics about judicial system no more. And yet 1, and yet 2, and yet 3. Na Ghana for yenina constitution am a sanctuary. A sanctuary ne judicial system.
Yes.
Se big obi 2 obi yo ayakayaka de etiamra baby agwan kroni ni court.
And the court.
Na se court won so say ya na eni ganko bia o. So we cannot sit and allow our sanctuary to be populated by the devils that chase us.
Yeah. Thank you. Lawyer, yeah, that's in the Nyame Adoma Monday. General jurisdiction and
criminal court.
Criminal court 4. Okay.
Yes.
Nyame Adoma Monday, I'll be there. Now, Yabesha will argument, in support of the withdrawal application. And we'll do that. We'll do that. Now,
sometimes, we banner me who so my motivation.
Oh, sure.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.